easily. Yes, it is little difficult to follow. Yes, now children, you all get little difficulty when you follow the bad habits. It will affect your life. Bad habits will affect your life. But when you follow the good habits, it will help you to lead your life easily. Yes, always when you go out, when you show your good habits, others will appreciate you. When you show your bad habits, others will, what they will do? They just ignore you. They start ignoring you when you show your bad habits. Yes, it is a life children, so we have to always apply good habits only. Not only I am telling that teacher, she is telling simply we have to just see it and read it and ignore it. It's not like that. It is a life question. In life we have to follow these all. The chapters teach us to how to be, how to follow the good habits, how to lead our life. Yes? Okay? Okay children, we'll move on to our chapter now. Before we start, regular routine, our routine, prayer we have to do. Okay? We don't have to forget that. All of you close your eyes. Repeat after me. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Okay, now we'll start with that only. We continued, we studied about a good food habits we did and good habits at home. What all good habits we have to follow in our home, that also I told you. Now we'll move on to the next one, that is good habits outside. How we have to follow the what all things we have to show when we are outside, not in the home, outside, how we have to be. Okay, the first one, we should not speak loudly in the public places. Like some people are there, they use too much loud sound when they are talking in phone. They speak too loudly. We can't at least we can't hear what we are talking with our friends. We can't hear that also. That much they will talk too loudly. It will disturb others. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಯಾರೋ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಾಜು, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹಾ ಹಲೋ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಇರಿಟೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟೂ ಲೌಡರ್. If they can't hear, then tell them that we'll call you later, or if it's urgent, ಬಹಳ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿಪ್ಪ, ನಾವು ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಂದಾಗ, ಧ್ವನಿನೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, go to the network place or stop talking only. The best way is stop talking only. Don't talk loudly, talk nicely, sweetly. The good habits, the first one, good habits outside. The first one, we should not speak loudly in public Okay. The next one, we should throw waste only in dustbins and not in the roadside. We don't have to throw the the waste papers, everything outside the road. We have to throw it in where? Dustbin only. We have to keep our city clean. So we have to use dustbins when we are throwing something. Okay. We should throw waste only in dustbin and not on the road side. Next one, we should not spit in the public spaces. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂದಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಸ್ಪಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಉಳುದು. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದಾರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಉಳ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. It is not a good habit, children. Don't do that. In this situation, at the present situation, now we have a corona. If we spit it, they will punish you only, because from spitting also we get that virus. Yes, you all know that, children. be safer, don't spit anywhere. Okay. The next one, we should not we should not use the outside as a toilet. Yes, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂದಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೊರಗಡೆನ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್, they are used their toilets only. Don't do that. Cleanly, okay, on the walls and everywhere, don't use that. We should not use the roadside as toilet. Okay. The next one, we should not scribble on public properties such as buses, trains, and on the walls of buildings or damage them in any way. ಈಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲೋ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಿವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐತಿ ಗೋಡೆಯನ್ನು ಕೆರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದ್ರದಾಗಿ ಬಣ್ಣ ಕಿತ್ತಬಾರ್ದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಗೀಚಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಮುರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಇನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಸ್ನಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸಾಮಾನು ಮುರಿದಿರ್ತಾವ, ಟ್ರೈನಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸಾಮಾನು ಮುರಿದಿರ್ತಾವ, ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Please don't damage that all things. Okay, please maintain cleanliness and public property ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನೋ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೊಕ್ಕ ಖರ್ಚಿದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು. Okay, they are also our properties only. When we pay the that all things, then only they will give us all facilities. Yes, if we damage that only, then how can we move from one place to another place? If bus is only not there, then you are ready to go by car, bus only, bike only from one place to another place. Train illa ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನ. So we have to maintain all the things correctly. These are all the things which we have to follow in the outside. When we are outside, these all things are good habits when we are outside. In this class, what we studied, children, we'll revise it once. We studied that the good habits when we are, which all things we have to follow. Yes, good habits, which all habits we have to follow. And the next one we studied about good habits at home, which all things we have to follow. And the next last one is the good habits when we are outside, children. When we are outside, we have to follow these all things. These all are good habits. Good habits shows that how how human being is, how he is. It shows his personality. When we have all the good habits, then easily the one person can identify that you are good, you are correct. Yes, he can easily identify if you have a good habits. If you don't have good habits, if you have a bad habits, then all will neglect you, all will ignore you. They will not call you even for the silly matter also. They will not ask you anything. They will not talk with you. Okay, why? Because you have a bad habits. Understood now? Good habits, you will also follow it. Please follow it, children. This will help you to live your life easily. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one, exercises. We'll move on to the exercise now. All of you open that page. Exercises. Now open exercises. Okay, the first one, write T for the true statement, F for the false statement. Okay, T for the true statement and F for the false statement, children. Now That was a clean place. How does brushing teeth help us? How does brushing teeth help us? We must brush our teeth twice a day, especially after dinner. Why? Because it helps us to remove the bites of the food which is stick in the teeth. That will help us to remove that all things. Okay? So we have to brush our teeth. Why should we wash our hands before and after food? Because we should wash our hands before and after food. Dirty hands have a germs with that, which can be affect our body and it will make us to feel ill. So we have to wash our hands before and after. Okay? We have to wash it. Next one. Where should you throw chocolate wrappers? Where do you throw your chocolate wrappers? Where we have to throw? In the dustbin. Write 2 good habits that you should follow outside your home. Your good habits. Okay? I will tell mine. We should not spit in the public place. We will not spit in the public place. We should throw waste only in the dustbin. We have to throw the waste in the dustbin. Okay? These are the question and answers, children. Now we will move on to the life skills. Rakhi follows the good habits to keep our home clean. To her home clean. Fill the blanks with the given words to know how. They give us some of the words there. We have to fill it with that. First one. Rakhi has just come back from school. She leaves her what? Shoes. First one. Shoes. Life skill I am telling. Blank. Shoes. She leaves her shoes outside before entering the bedroom. She puts her school bag. She puts her school bag. She puts her school bag in the proper place, and then go to the dining room. She does not bring food into the bedroom. Fourth one, because she knows flies and germs and ants. Two we have to. And ants and cockroaches. Fifth one what? Cockroaches are attacked to smell of the food. They are attacked to the smell of the food. Okay? This is the answer of the life skill. One bracket blank है, one the second blank, third blank, fourth blank, fifth blank. Like that I wrote. Okay? Copy it like that only. Values for life. Hanif goes to Hyderabad with his parents to see the Charminar. He sees a young man writing something on the wall of the monuments. What can Hanif say or do to stop him? What he have to do to stop him? Hanif can ask a man not to scribble. Please, mother man, scribble ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಹಾಳಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದಮ್ಮ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ as a good citizen, it is our duty to protect such monuments. ನಾವೇನಂತಾನೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಹಾಳಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ. So please maintain correctly because that monuments are the most important. Monuments means ಏನು? ಗ್ರಂಥ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಗುಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ. Okay. Next one is horse. Deepak got up late and hurried through his breakfast. He then went to the school and ate her lunch break. He had lunch that his mother and packed for him. In the evening, he ate an apple. Suddenly at night, he got a stomachache. The doctor said Deepak had a germ infection. What could be a reason for this? What he did? What? Evening ಅವ ಆಪಲ್ ನ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನಲಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಂಗ. ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ in hurry he had his breakfast. In hurry we don't have to have breakfast. So he got stomachache. Okay? Activity. Last one. The last part we study it. Where should Rajat sharpen his pencil? Lead him to the dustbin. Where he have to sharpen to the dustbin. ಮಟ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಬರಿ. in this chapter, last one. Complete the cleanliness table for any 4 of your friends. Put the tick correct in the column if clean and a cross mark to if dirty. Okay. Name your friend, any 4 friends, name it, and see that their nails are clean. Tick correct to them. Here, see that they are clean or dirt. You have to see and tick correct and wrong. Clothes, if they are wearing clothes, clean clothes, tick correct. If they are not, wrong. Shoes, if their shoes are clean, tick correct to that. Dirty, okay, wrong. Okay children, we completed these all things today. We completed this chapter. So what you have to do, you have to write everything. Today what we did, we have to write everything which all false, true is there, that I wrote it on the board. Please complete these all things. After that I told you the question and answers. I will send you the images of all the question and answers. And the last one I told life skill. I told about the life skill, which all life skills we have to maintain in our life. That all I told you, that according to that you have to write. Okay, according to that you have to write. After that I told you which activity you have to do, and you have to do with your friend. Do it with your friend. And today we studied about the foods. Yes, we studied about the what things we studied, children. We studied about the good habits. Which all good habits we have to follow up in our life. We studied about that all things. Okay, maintain it in your life. Please maintain it and follow up in your life. Be a good citizen. Be a good boy. Be a good girl. Okay. Please follow these all good habits, children. I will see you if you are following